In this video, I will show you how to disable the sensitive content option on Twitter or X. But before starting this tutorial, I invite you to leave me a like and subscribe if this video works for you. The first thing we will do is go to X, we will select our profile photo and we will select the last option that says configuration and support. And then we'll select the configuration and privacy option. In this section, we will select the privacy and security option. In this other section, we will only give you the content that you see, and these options we will activate the first option that says show photos and videos that may include sensitive content. In this way, we can see sensitive content on Twitter or X without problems. Remember that if this video worked for you, you can leave me a like and subscribe. My name is Anxir7U7X Tutorials, and see you in the next video.
Thank you.